RUN stock analysis and RUN stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately, as I'm looking at Run or Sunrun stock, it is 37% down, so that's tough. But what's the real previous data of mine? Well, I was bearish and that definitely delivered towards the lows, but then pumped up the complete opposite way. So it went from 6 to 12, 13 actually, and then came down quite hard now as well. All I'm saying is that I'm not going to be excited. I mean, I'm not going to be surprised if we do reach the lows tomorrow or in a few days or so. I'm aware there's a big gap here and whatnot, so there could be a lot of freaking FRE, and we can definitely play around and see. But I do genuinely still believe that we're going to go for the lows and the liquidity, and that's my 2 cents on this right now. Doesn't certainly mean that I'm going to straight up sell though. It's only for now and not forever. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.